You should do as much work as possible on your building when the components are still on the ground, as this will limit the work that needs to be done while components are elevated, limiting the chances of any accidents. After identifying the proper starting bay, it is wise to assemble all components for one of its frames and lay out one complete frame assembly to double-check correct fitting of all initial components. When laying out frame, remember to lay the edge of the columns along the chalk lines that were snapped earlier to ensure that when the frame is raised, it is plumb and sits correctly on the slab. Ensure that all materials are propped up off the slab with wood blocks so that both sides of material will be accessible. After all CE sections are laid out, columns and rafters can be connected using the proper haunch and apex brackets. Make sure to finger tighten the bolts. Also, make sure to install all column anchor brackets. Again, finger tightening the connecting bolts. If constructing a double rafter assembly, make sure to secure the rafters with 2 framing screws so that the rafters will not separate when they are raised into position.